Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something special to show you. Xiaomi has just released the official unboxing video of their new Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus Astro Boy edition, and I'm here to give you my thoughts on this highly anticipated device. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. The Astro Boy themed design is absolutely stunning. The sketch of the iconic character on the box is a nice touch, and it's clear that Xiaomi has put a lot of thought into the design. Once we move on to the unboxing itself, I have to say I'm really impressed by the phone's design. The glossy sketch of Astro Boy on the back is a nice touch, and the phone looks beautiful. It comes with a 120 watts fast charging adapter, Astro Boy sticker, and a custom-made case. The case looks premium and high quality. Now, let's talk about the specs. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor, 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and has a triple camera setup with a 64-megapixel main sensor. The phone also comes with a 6.6-inch 144Hz Full HD Plus resolution IPS LCD panel, 120 watts fast charging support, and more. Overall, I'm really impressed by this phone. Xiaomi has done a great job with the design, and the specs look top-notch. If you're a fan of Astro Boy or just looking for a new powerful smartphone, I highly recommend checking this one out. I'm definitely excited to get my hands on it and give it a full review. If you enjoy my videos and want to see more, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay updated on my latest uploads. Make sure to share the valuable content you come across with your friends and followers. And don't forget to keep up with our channel on social media platforms, like Twitter, for even more tech news and exclusive content by clicking on the links in the video description. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.